Hi, this is Brittany with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for letting me send out this quick video to you. I don't want to take up too much of your time, and there are a few things I just want to go over with you today. Now, after you watch the video, if you could give me some feedback on it, that'd be greatly appreciated. But let me just go ahead and get into this. So the things I want to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. So basically, content is going to be anything that's going to be on your front page here, any photos that you use, any words that you use, how your photos are saved, what's behind those photos, they're all a part of your content. Now, Google does like to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. And within that content, you want to be able to add keywords that you want your business found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So that way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that will be a big help in the long run. So I would definitely suggest trying to add some more wording on the front page here. But I absolutely love all the photos. Obviously, you're a photographer, which you want to make sure that's what you're showcasing. And I think you take wonderful photos, by the way. Um, the next thing I did want to go over with you is this website here. I'm able to put your website and get the analytics of it. So this is going to show you the strength and trust that you have with Google. So the UR is the strength and the DR is the trust. So this is going to be on a scale of 100. And you want to be able to continually keep these moving forward and keep them as balanced as possible. Now, another thing is keywords. And right now you have 3 keywords that you are indexing for at the moment. Let's see what we have here. So we want to be able to take more keywords and be able to boost those up even more and add on to it to be able to get more traffic coming to your website. And backlinks. So right now you have 2 backlinks referencing from one domain. Now, a backlink is going to be anywhere you find one website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all backlinks are the same. Some are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are going to be more authoritative that will bring power to your website. Now, another thing we want to go over here is what we call the Google Map Pack. This is definitely where you want to be able to be. I looked up Plumas Lake because that's where we were in the Facebook group. But you can definitely be able to rank in multiple areas if that's what you want to go for and not just one. This is just the only one I looked up because of, like I said, the Facebook group. So what we want to do is be able to get you on to the map pack here and then also on to the organic listings at the bottom. These are going to be where people Google what they're looking for. This is going to be the first place that they see people to pop up, and that's who gets the more traffic is when they're showing up right here, especially in this map pack. Now, the next thing I want to go over with you is going to be citations. So a citation is going to be anywhere that your business name, phone number, and address is listed on things like, let's say, Yelp, on the Yellow pages, things like that. So anywhere that you can get your name and phone number and business address out there, the more that you have out there, it's going to build trust with Google seeing that you're a legit business and your website is a legitimate website. Also, when it comes to Google Business Profile, there's an About Us section. You want to make sure all 750 words are filled out in that About Us section. You're also going to want to make sure that you have keywords placed throughout that About Us section as well. Also, make sure on your social media you're posting weekly branded posts and geolocated photos. Those are also going to help with your relevance when it comes to Google. So I did look up at a different website here, pulling up their website. They definitely don't have a lot of content on their front page, but they are indexing for more keywords and they are indexing for more backlinks. So we are going to want to be able to look at competitors in the area especially the areas that you want to be found for and service, and see what they are indexing for when it comes to their keywords and their backlinks as well. So that way we can be able to get you not only the same things, but to be able to get you other ones that are going to bring more strength to get you brought up on Google as well. So once again, I want to say thank you for letting me take the time to go ahead and send you this video. I really appreciate it. I'm going to send over my phone number and my email as well. So any information, if you want any more information from me, you can always text, call, email me, Facebook me, whatever works best for you. And once again, thank you for your time. I greatly appreciate it.